Everything gone overnight. Imagine waking up tomorrow with zero money, zero assets, and zero reputation, but full knowledge of how money actually works. That's the scenario I'm about to walk you through today. My name is Paul, and I'm going to rebuild wealth from absolute zero in the modern world, step by step, with brutal honesty about what really works. Why this matters to you. This is not a fantasy challenge. It's a realistic roadmap for anyone who feels late, broke, or stuck. The goal is not to impress you with success stories. The goal is to give you a repeatable system you could actually apply starting today. The rules of the reset. Here are the conditions. I am 16 years old again, living in today's unpredictable economy. I have no money, no network, and no special privileges, only the financial knowledge I've gained over the years. The mission is simple. Move from employee to entrepreneur to investor as fast and safely as possible. A quick personal note. Instead of fancy cars or flashy hobbies, teenage Paul spends weekends restoring old laptops and reselling them online. It teaches negotiation, marketing, and patience, and more importantly, it builds a mindset focused on value creation instead of status. Step 1. Secure any income stream fast. My first move is simple. Get a job immediately. It doesn't need to be glamorous. Retail, delivery, fast food, anything that produces consistent cash flow. Income is oxygen. Without it, every decision becomes desperate and short-sighted. Step 2. Build a digital skill that pays. While working, I dedicate nights to learning a monetizable online skill. Digital marketing, content editing, or paid advertising. The internet is the fastest equalizer ever created, and high-income digital skills turn time into scalable value. Step 3. Start a micro-business immediately. Instead of waiting for a perfect idea, I launch a simple online service, managing ads for small local businesses that don't understand digital tools. They get customers. I get experience and income. Imperfect action beats perfect planning every time. Step 4. Fight lifestyle inflation early. As income grows, the biggest threat is not failure, it's comfort. I lock my expenses at a modest level and automate savings. The rule is simple. Increase investments faster than lifestyle. Financial foundation, the 3 buckets. First, I build an emergency fund covering several months of expenses. Second, I invest consistently into diversified index funds. Third, I keep a cash buffer for future business opportunities. Stability creates freedom to take calculated risks. Step 5. Build a powerful network online. I document my journey publicly, sharing wins, mistakes, and lessons. Authentic content attracts mentors, collaborators, and clients. Instead of chasing connections, I create value that naturally pulls the right people toward me. Step 6. Responsible credit strategy at 18. Once eligible, I open a basic credit card and treat it like a debit card, only spending what I can fully repay monthly. Building a strong credit history early reduces future borrowing costs and unlocks better investment opportunities. Step 7. Launch a scalable business. With skills, capital, and connections in place, I create a scalable online product or service, something that can grow without requiring more hours from me personally. Automation, systems, and recurring revenue become the focus. Growth phase. Reinvest aggressively. Instead of chasing luxury, I reinvest most profits back into marketing, hiring, and improving the product. Speed matters. In competitive markets, slow growth is often the same as moving backwards. Transition to investor, portfolio structure. Once the business runs independently, I diversify my wealth. A large portion into income-producing real estate, a strong core into index funds, a smaller allocation into private startups, and only a tiny experimental slice into high-risk assets. Diversification protects progress. Risk management philosophy. High-risk investments are treated like experiments, not strategies. If they succeed, great. If they fail, my core wealth remains intact. The real secret is not hitting jackpots, it's surviving long enough for compounding to work. The bigger lesson. Rebuilding wealth is not about luck or timing markets perfectly. It's about systems. Steady income, scalable skills, disciplined spending, smart investing, and relentless learning. Anyone can start small, but consistency turns small actions into massive outcomes. Conclusion. If this roadmap made you rethink your financial future, don't just watch, act. Subscribe for weekly strategies, like the video if you want more realistic wealth building breakdowns, and comment reset if you're starting your journey today. Your first step is not money, it's momentum.